Hello everyone. Let's start next part of this lesson. But before that, let's see today's thought. Honesty is the best policy. Children, you should just explain what happened rather than trying to cover your tracks. It is always better to be truthful and honest. Now see, next part of our lesson is smaller and bigger number. See, this is the symbol used to denote the smaller number. For example, if the numbers are 17 and 19. So, always remember this close end is towards the smaller number and open end is towards the bigger number. So, among number 17 and 19, 17 is a smaller number and 19 is a bigger number. So, we put this symbol here and it is read as 17 is less than 19 or 17 is smaller than 19. Next is, this is the symbol used to denote bigger number. Now see, for example, the numbers are 27 and 26. So always remember that this close end is towards the smaller number and open end is towards the bigger number. So among 27 and 26, 27 is the bigger number. So put such symbol here and it is read as 27 is bigger than 26. Children, always remember that a two-digit number is always bigger than one-digit number. We know that 9 is the smallest one-digit number and after 9, which number come? It is 10. So 10 is a two-digit number. So two-digit number is always bigger than one-digit number. For example, 49 and 9. 49 is a two-digit number and 9 is a one-digit number. So 49 is bigger than 9. Next is, a three-digit number is always bigger than two-digit number and one-digit number. We know that 99 is the smallest two-digit number. After 99, it comes 100. So which is three-digit number. So always remember that a three-digit number is always bigger than two-digit number and one-digit number. For example, 389 and 27. These two numbers are there. We know that 389 is three-digit number and 27 is two-digit number. So three-digit number is always bigger than two-digit number. Next is 897 and 6. These two numbers are there. 897 is three-digit number, 6 is a one-digit number. So three-digit number is always bigger than one-digit number. So put this sign here. Next is points to remember. First, if two three-digit numbers are given, then the number with the bigger digit in the hundreds place is the bigger number. For example, the numbers are 199, 199 and 200. So first, both the numbers are three digit, so we have to check hundreds place. See, this is units place, tens place and at hundreds place 1. And in 200, this is units place, tens place and at hundreds place 2 is there. So among 1 and 2, 2 is the bigger number. So this 200 is bigger than 199 and it is read as 199 is smaller than 200. Next example, see the numbers 448 and 132. Both the numbers are three-digit number. So we check the hundreds place of number. Here at hundreds place the number is 4 and here at hundreds place the number is 1. So we know that 4 is bigger than 1. So number 448 is bigger than 132. Children, remember that if both the 3-digit numbers are given, then first you have to check the hundreds place of a number and decide which number is bigger and which one is smaller. Now next is, if the hundreds place digit in the two numbers is same, then the number having bigger digit in the tens place will be the bigger number. Now see here, in the number 349 and 351, both are 3-digit numbers, means first we have to check the hundreds place. Now in this number at hundreds place 3 is there and here also at hundreds place 3 is there. So if both the numbers have same digit at hundreds place, then we have to check the bigger number from the tens place. Here at tens place the number is 4 and here at tens place the number is 5. And we know that 5 is bigger than 4. Means this number 351 is bigger than 349. Next is 982 and 928. Among these two numbers, we have to check which is the bigger number. Again, at hundreds place, both the number have same digit. Then we must check the bigger and smaller number from tens place. Here at tens place, the number is 8 and here at tens place, the number is 2. And we know that 8 is bigger than 2, means the number 982 is bigger than 928. Third, if the hundreds as well as the tens place digit are equal, then look at the units place to decide the bigger number. For example, the numbers are 247 and 241. Both are 3-digit numbers, means first we have to check the hundreds place. Here is 2 and here is also 2. At hundreds place the digits are same, means we have to move towards the tens place. At tens place here is 4 and here is also 4. So both hundreds and tens place digits are equal. In that case we have to move towards the units place. At units place here is the number is 7 and here the number is 1 and 7 is bigger than 1. So the number 247 is bigger than 241. Next example, in between numbers 876 and 870. At hundreds place both have the same digit 8. At tens place again both have the same digit 7. Means you have to decide which is the bigger number from units place. Here is 6 and here is 0. So 6 is bigger than 0. So this number 876 is bigger than 870. Now let's see the example of your textbook, page number 12. Say which number is bigger and which is smaller. Numbers are given and you have to write smaller and bigger number. So in number 8 and 2, which is the smaller number? 2. So you have to write 2 here, and which is the bigger number? 8. Means you have to write 8 here. Now among the numbers 77 and 59, which is the smallest number? It is 59. So you have to write 59 here, and which is the biggest number? 77. Means you have to write 77 here. Like this you have to fill this complete table. Now see this example. Write the correct symbol in the box. First is already solved there. The numbers are 10 and 9. We know that 10 is a 2-digit number, 9 is a 1-digit number. So 2-digit number is always bigger than 1-digit number. So 10 is bigger than 9. Next example, 50 and 49. Both are 2-digit number, means first you have to check the tens place. Here is 5 and here is 4 at tens place. So among 5 and 4, which is the bigger number? 5. So the number 50 is bigger than number 49. Means you have to put this symbol here. Next is in between number 500 and 499. Let's check. Both are 3-digit number. Now let's check the hundreds place. Here at hundreds place the digit 5 is there and here is 4. So 5 is bigger than 4. That's why the number 500 is bigger than the number 499. Like this, you have to solve these complete examples. See properly tens place, units place and hundreds place and decide which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Now next, move on page number 13. See these examples. Which is the bigger and which the smaller number? Here both are the 3-digit number, means first you have to check the hundreds place. At hundreds place here the digit is 7 and at hundreds place the digit is 5. We know that 7 is bigger than 5, means this number 721 is the bigger number. So 721 is bigger than 589. Next is the numbers are 423 and 723. First you have to check the digits from the hundreds place. Here is 4 and here is 7. So 7 is a bigger number. So 723 is bigger than 423. Like this you have to solve this example also. Now next is put the right symbol less than or greater than between the numbers in each pair. Again in the same way we have to solve this example. The numbers are 427 and 267. See the digit in hundreds place. At hundreds place here is 4 and here is 2. So number 427 is bigger than 267. Now see this example, 813 and 79. Here is 3-digit number and 79 is 2-digit number. And we know that 3-digit number is always bigger than 2-digit number. So 813 is bigger than 79. Like this you have to solve these examples also. See here solved examples are given. You can go through it. And children, remember that the examples from textbook page number 12 and page number 13, you have to solve these examples in textbook itself. For writing material, you have to write everything from the PDF that I will send you. So practice it properly. In next period, we will see ascending and descending order. Till then, happy learning.